The dish we present you today is stir fry squid with oyster sauce, and the main ingredient is squids. This is cut and washed. Then we have bell pepper, colored bell pepper, sliced onions, capsicum cut, mushrooms cut. It's all washed. Among the main ingredients we have oyster sauce, light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. Peel of garlic, and chop. Vinegar into a small bowl.
Light soy sauce.
Light soy sauce.
Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. Add a bit of water and then stir. Spring onions. Cut spring onions. Put a frying pan on the stove. Add oil. Add chopped garlic and cut spring
White
onions.
pepper.
Grind white pepper.
Then put a little this Sichuan pepper.
Sichuan pepper. Only a few seeds because it is very strong. Keep it about moderate temperature.
With this one.
Add a bit of water. Add
这个 squid I already
washed and cut
washed and
squid.
washed and put in the hot water for some time already. Then put out.
The squid has been put in hot water for some time to remove the smell.
Yeah.
Stir it.
A little.
Now add the already cut
Vegetable. A little mushroom.
mushrooms. Mix.
Beef. A
Add
little this
purple cabbage, bell pepper, capsicum, all cut into pieces.
Too much.
Mix. Now add the sauce mix, which contains light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, vinegar, oyster sauce, and a bit of water.
Too much water. This shroom.
Add cornstarch, water, mix it, and that will make the gravy thicker.
Almost done. With
Then
onion.
add the cut onion, sliced onion.
Last moment.
So the cornstarch you can add if the gravy is thinner, too much watery. By adding cornstarch, you make it thicker and pleasant for eating. Mix it and the dish is ready. To add onion, remember at the last moment, so that it retains
Yeah.
its texture and the color, as well as taste. You can add a bit of oyster sauce again if you like the taste. The dish is almost done and it looks colorful, appetizing, and of course it should be delicious.
Sesame oil.
You can add sesame oil as a pleasant additive if you really like the smell of it.
Finish.
The dish is ready. Looks delicious, colorful, and of course should be tasty. A mix of vegetables and seafood. You can see the squids. Enjoy video as well as try it. Give us comments and have a nice day. Thank you very much for you.